Man, that giveaway turned out great. Stay tuned, guys, for a chance to win it. Alright, continuing the build on the Mustang. I gotta get it prepped for paint. So basically take off the rear bumper. There's like a clear bra on the side of the car that I gotta take off. The protective film. So I'm gonna get that off, get it ready, let's get it painted. Alright guys, we got the Mustang inside the paint booth, all prepped up, ready to paint. Man, finally. Yeah, this is great, this is exciting. A lot of progress. Look at it.
We got the fender. We're going to do a blend onto the door. We got the door handle, the moldings, the handles, all that off. We got taped up good. And just going to blend onto this fender a little bit, so we don't have to touch the door. And then we'll paint the bumper and the rear bumper, that little scuff in the middle. The rest will be clear, blended out really nicely. So just like that, it's going to be painted. It's going to look like one piece. We can put it together and go for a test drive.
Still need a tire.
Still need a rim. If anybody has a carbon fiber wheel,
yeah,
we will buy it.
That'd be great. Let us know. Please message us. We're kind of desperate for that. The front driver's side or whatever.
Yeah.
Front tire, front rim.
Front wheel. So. We'll keep working on it. You know, if we got to put a spare on it or find some kind of wheel, we'll put it on until we buy one. But hopefully, a couple coats of paint. Still got to wax and grease everything. Tack walk and get it done.
Yeah. Alright guys, working on the back bumper. I'm gonna put it back on. Paint job looks great. It's crazy how the mufflers are just the tips on there, but this thing's a beast. Check out the exhaust. It's got that actuator right there. Turning it on and off depending on what mode you want. Another cooler back here. Don't even know what that's for, but that looks nice. Alright, let's get it back together. Alright, finally got our coolers from the dealer. Let's go ahead and get them installed. It's the engine oil and transmission cooler, pretty sure. Let's go ahead and get that done. Got my coolers on, so we'll go ahead and get the headlights in. Gotta get that in before I can put the front bumper on. So let's go ahead and do it. Both headlights work. That's always good. Plug and play. Got my front rebar. Gotta get that on before I can move on. Alright guys, unfortunately that's all the time I have for today. Still got a lot of work to do. Gotta put the seat belt back in, the airbag module, the steering wheel, the clock spring, all basically the stuff on the inside I have to get done, as well as the front bumper, I gotta put it together. A lot of pieces. As you can tell, it's bare. All the plastics. I gotta get that emblem switched out because that's basically a main indicator from a R or a regular 350. I gotta order one of those, get that swapped out. A lot of work to do, but like I said, that's all the time I have today. Let's go inside and find our winner. Alright guys, we're inside. Time to find our winner. So for this giveaway, we have this huge custom engraved gt350R plaque. Also Nico Brothers with the logo on there. I think it looks really good. It turned out nice. I'm excited about it. And it can be yours. Alright. So we only have one giveaway winner this time, because I have one sign made. I'll probably make some more later. We'll see. But let's go at it. I mean, we got a lot of progress done with the car. I'm happy with it. Honestly, it'll be on the road anytime now. So a lot of little things left to do. But we're working on it. Alright, let's do it. So it's time for our winner. Like I said, we only have one winner, but it's okay. If you don't win this time, go ahead and comment GT350R below on this video if you're entering a chance to win. We'll probably make another sign, or if you like the Shelby snake signs. I don't know. Let me know what you guys like, and we'll try to get it out there. Let's do it. Alright, 3, 2, 1. David Lau, congrats bro, Mustang GT350R, you're our winner. Go ahead and email us your information, your address, and we'll get that sign out to you as soon as possible. It comes with these little fancy studs. It's nice, it's a cool little kit. Everything you need, hang it up, in the garage, whatever it is. We had 345 comments, it's not bad, so like I said, don't forget to comment below in this video as well for enter a chance to win next time. I appreciate you guys, stay tuned. See you later.